One of these days, we'll get back the time we borrowed. One of these nights, I won't worry about tomorrow. And one of these moments will stick in my mind.
Welcome back, it's Chris from the Hagon factory. So as you just saw, myself and the dog Bear went on a road trip. It was over 3,600 Ks. We ended up in Darwin. So the weather's a bit better here. I think it's about 4 degrees at home. I think it's been about 34 up here during the day. And we went to the Speedway. So, and my son, his mate, Shane, got us some tickets. So we managed to get into the pits for a little while. It was pretty early, so not everything was there. But we couldn't actually stay in there all night, but we got to hang around in there for an hour or so and just have a quick look. He got us into the members lounge. So we got up on the balcony there and had a couple of beers and watched the racing. It's absolutely fantastic. You might want to skip through. There's cars and bikes and other bits and pieces, but it's a great video, so have a look.
Empty bottles and wasted time. I got nothing to show for all the wasted time. Except the trouble, worried mind.
Went down to the river, washed my sins away, and praying for another day. I went down to that river, washed my sins for free. The devil's on the other bank, staring back at me. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. Another nail in my coffin, another nail for me. I gotta look pretty when I go down. Another nail in my coffin, can't you spare one more? I gotta look pretty when I'm knocking down heaven's door. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man walking, I'm a dead man.
A Wingles Sprint.
Yep, and so what's the engine in this one?
These have a Buick V6 in it.
Yeah.
They're all restricted, like they're only allowed to go to 6,000 revs. We all run the same computers, headers, all the engines are stock standard.
Yep.
Just they run on methanol.
Yeah, run on methanol, yeah.
Yep.
So just to try and keep it like good racing.
Oh yeah, it's all competitive.
Yeah, fantastic.
Yeah, no, it's good for that.
Yeah, no, looks
everybody's on the same page with them all.
Yeah, that's good.
And we have,
car.
like
good.
Today, we've got weighing for odd numbers, so we weigh the cars. So you've got to be under, you got to be 1450. You've got to weigh in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So no, everybody's the same weight. You can't go underweight, otherwise you get disqualified. And we have a rev checker here. He's got all the machines to check your computers and check your bores and all that sort of stuff. We've got cameras, scopes, and all that sort of stuff.
Yeah. So how long have you been doing this for?
Oh, about 9 years now.
Yeah.
I've only been actually driving the car for probably 3.
Yep.
I've been the president for 8 years here,
Yeah, okay.
and now we've got a new president in, so it's good now. We just go racing.
Yeah, fantastic.
But I got my son, he does a bit too.
Yeah,
He's been racing for about 8 years,
yeah.
but he's obviously at work tonight. But yeah, this is
Perfect.
a spare car and we just started driving it.
Yeah.
Having a lot of fun.
No, fantastic.
Yeah.
Thanks for helping us out with the ticket too tonight. That's good.
Yeah, no, that's all good.
Yeah.
That's no worries.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Try to organize my mind while the world falls behind. Slow waltz around the sun. Every year feels a change. Looking back now, feeling strange. We all learn to be someone.